Hi, my name is Stephan, and today we're featuring our magnetic beveled latch. In 2008, we came up with our beveled latch for behavioral health centers for patient room doors, and we wanted to combine our magnetic locks with our beveled latch, in which led us to develop this. This latch provides a positive engagement and security in the jamb, and also does not allow a patient to tie a ligature point or anchor a ligature point with the jamb of the door. It also is paired with our beveled latch strike to prevent things from being put into the strike hole as well too.